this is what they sent me. Right, so I didn't need to show you that, and it's something that I haven't shared with anyone. The reason why I'm sharing it, like I said though, is the what's cracking, Jump Nation? It's your boy here, Hoodies, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Listen guys, it has been a couple of weeks now. I haven't posted on YouTube. Hopefully you've been kind of keeping up to date on my Instagram, but I took a few weeks out to kind of just recharge my batteries. The last few weeks have been absolutely insane. So I wanted to make this video for a couple of reasons. One, I need to announce the giveaway winners to the Legacy Rope launch, which was a couple of weeks ago. And also there's just a few updates and big things in the pipeline that I need to share with you guys because trust me, the next few months are going to be absolutely insane. I'm just excited. I haven't seen you guys. It feels like I haven't spoken to you guys for a while. It just feels like ages ago, and I haven't really had this one-to-one chat with you peeps with my... Oh shit. The office is super messy today. I'm really sorry guys. Yeah, I'm not even wearing my sunglasses. So today is an important video. You know that. When I'm not wearing my sunglasses, I've got some real important stuff to share with you. Right, so first and foremost, the reaction to the exhibition and the Legacy launch. So listen, I've already told you how incredible the exhibition was. You saw it on my vlog. Had so many people come from near and far, shake my hand, give me a hug, give me gifts, skip with me, just tell me how much I've changed their lives. And that is why this channel is here, and this is why I'm here, guys. This is what drives me, this is what motivates me. And then we dropped the Legacy launch promotion. Everything that went up into the build up into that week was insane. And the video that my boy CJ made, hopefully you guys have caught that video, but it is probably the best piece of material that I may ever create.
You really ain't ready now. You haters just in the crowd, but till I just look around. Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Are you with me now? Said, are you with me now? Ain't felt this good in a while. They want us to simmer down. Can you hear me now? Am I going in and out? I stop and just look around to see if you're with me now.
And you guys have just created this incredible movement with me, and I just want to keep growing. I want to keep pushing with you all. And then we brought out the Legacy launch, the Legacy rope, the heavy rope, the game changer, the rope that I've been blood, sweat and tears have gone into this rope, guys. It's a long time in the making. We have spent, I think, nearly 8 to 10 months on this rope, and the launch was insane. Like, the website went absolutely crazy. That day was probably one of the best and most proudest days that I've experienced on kind of this journey with you all, because the Legacy rope, like I said, is more than a skipping rope. It means and signifies so much. It shows me, and it should show you guys, that you can put your mind to anything if you believe in yourself, if you stay focused, if you can deal with setbacks. You guys can also create your own dreams. You can fulfill your dreams, you can fulfill your potential, and that's what this rope is all about. It's just, you guys can create your legacy. You guys can make something of your life. You don't have to settle for average. I've rambled on this little point, but this is why I really wanted to make this video, because I just wanted to just share my love, my thanks. So if you ordered, if you represented, if you copped, as promised, the pre-orders will be going out in June. So in about 2 to 3 weeks, as promised on the website, you guys will be getting your notifications on email. The first 50 went in an instant. The first couple of minutes, the first 50 orders already went out. So a lot of people are already enjoying the Legacy rope, and they're already showing me their pictures and sending me videos. It's just incredible. But you guys are helping me just achieve these kind of crazy dreams that once upon a time I just thought to myself, you know, just stick to your day job. Like, just don't waste time on editing, YouTube, filming. Like, that's not you. You're just numbers. You studied for this. And I'm so glad that I pushed, and I've just got the support from every one of you out there. Right, so let's get down to business with this video. Why did I make this video? I'm getting a lot of questions about certain topics, and one of them is meetups. I've got some massive news to share with you all, and basically three massive three massive pieces of news that I need to share with you. The first one is for my UK family, and if anyone actually is coming in from Europe for a holiday or whatever, I am doing a meetup in Hyde Park, and I'm planning it for June. I'm gonna forget the date. June the 23rd. All right, June the 23rd. I'm penciling in that date, and I want you guys to pencil it in as well. June the 23rd, Hyde Park, London. That is slap bang central. Like, you can't miss it. It's Hyde Park. Why the 23rd of June? Basically, the World Cup is going to be going on throughout June and July, and June the 23rd is actually the one weekend that there's no games. So it's going to be a Saturday. It's going to be probably the afternoon, kind of early afternoon. We're going to hope for good weather. But the main point is I want you guys to come down. I'm going to bring some apparel, some ropes. We're just going to have fun. I'm going to do some giveaways. I'm going to give you guys some freebies. I'm just there to just meet whoever has ever bought my ropes, whoever kind of followed me on Instagram, on YouTube. You want some tips, you want some pointers, we'll do a few tutorials, we'll make some sick videos. Right, second piece of information. In August, drum roll, this is one of my biggest. In August, guys, I am going to be in the USA. I'm going to be flying in to LA for August the 20th to August the 24th. I am going to be in LA. But the main point is, within those days, within that period, I need a date where we're all going to meet up. I'm thinking of somewhere like Venice Beach. I'm not really too sure, but I've got a few meetups that I need to do with a few influencers, a few big personalities. So I'm booking that all in. I want you guys to be there. If you're in that area, come down and see me. If you're around the West Coast, please, please, please. We know that our community there is massive. The second part about that is, obviously and hoping we are going to try and do a Jump Rope Dudes Rush Athletics collab. It's something that I've already been speaking to the guys about, not in too much detail, but I've already mentioned it, kind of dates and rough timings, and we've spoke about it last year on one of my videos. But yes, I know a lot of you guys are going to ask, are you guys going to do a collab? And after I put this video up, I am going to send them a message. And yeah, if you guys follow them as well, drop them a message as well, and get them to, let's just make it happen. It's got to happen. It's going to be absolutely epic, and I want to meet those guys. Definitely big game players in this community, and I guess it just needs to happen, doesn't it? It needs to happen. Two big heavyweight channels in YouTube, on YouTube, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm super excited, and I've got some other cool personalities and Instagram influencers and boxers that I'm also going to meet as well. So a lot more to come, a lot more to share on that LA journey. Then we're going to fly to the East Coast, August the 25th, I believe. 25th, I'm going to be in New York, guys. We're going to obviously do this meetup around Central Park area. So if you're in the New York area, and again, I know my community in the New York area, around Bronx, around Manhattan, everywhere around that area, that region, we are strong, and I need you guys to be there. Please, please, please. August the 25th, so pencil that in. I've only got one day in New York to make that happen. So that's the other that's the third piece of massive news, I guess, in terms of meetups. The next piece of news also that we're rolling out in the next couple of months is an ambassador and affiliate program. So I want to extend my athlete base, my affiliate base around the world. A lot of you guys out there now are actually just crushing it. You're crushing it with the ropes. I've seen you guys tagging me on Instagram, and what we're going to do is we're going to have an official kind of program, affiliate program, ambassador program, where you guys get a chance to get free gear. I send you out some free stuff. We work together. There could be a chance to make some monetary kind of incentive plans and all this type of stuff. So keep that in mind, guys. If you have an Instagram profile where you're pushing skipping, you're pushing jump roping, you have a kind of sports profile, or like any other kind of profile, if you have a following, if you have just a passion to do this on the side and want to make some money, or just want some free stuff, we're going to make it happen. We're going to do a real cool program. Money ropes, legacy ropes, all the apparel and all that kind of stuff. On top of that, we've got another launch coming up in about a month and a bit, maybe 6 weeks, and that's going to be these hoodies here, zippy hoodies and some leggings. So more details to come on that, but we're just expanding our apparel range again, making jump rope slick, cool, get heads turning with your skills, and now you're going to basically just complement that with just a full line of apparel ready to go and just kill it. So right, cool. I think I've yeah, got through everything I need to get through in this video. The main points are the meetups, and yeah, just again to show you my gratitude. Like, it's so overwhelming what the hell is going on, and as this channel grows, I want you to always remember that I'm going to put in my 110, 150%, 200 million% of myself into this channel, into you guys. Again, if you guys are in a similar situation, if you are going through life just knowing that there's something else out there for you, you know that you've got more to give, I implore you guys, go out and get it. Just don't fear failure. Don't fear what people are going to think. Don't care what people are going to think. From the exhibition, when I was meeting a couple of people, I kept getting the same kind of questions, which is just like, what drives you, what pushes you, how do you get through the setbacks? If you guys can see your setbacks as fuel, as energy, as fire, every single setback you just see it as something like, all right, I've taken a knock, but I'm basically going to push through that, and then there's going to be another knock, there's going to be another knock, and basically you keep pushing through, and as you keep pushing through these barriers, just imagine yourself getting bigger and bigger and stronger and stronger. And I'm going to share with you something kind of weird, strange, I don't know what you might want to call it. It's something that I've never shared with this channel, or to be honest with you, a lot of people. A couple of years ago, like maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and I'll show you the proof of all of this, I sent an email to a skipping company. I'm not going to obviously name the skipping company, and I've got my phone here. So here we go. This is the message. I'm gonna try and cover up it's a long message. This is the message I sent to this brand, this company, really big company, worldwide. Dear Sir, Madam, I'm gonna probably abbreviate and just kind of skip through some of the boring stuff. Dear Sir, Madam, I'm writing to you to inquire whether you'd be interested in working together in order to help drive further sales of your ropes and any other related equipment. I'm a full-time finance professional, and in my spare time I work as a sports model and jump rope coach. I've recently started a new fitness venture which aims to promote the benefits of using a jump rope for cardio sessions. My target market are fitness enthusiasts who want to lose weight fast and want to make cardio enjoyable. As you know, using a jump rope requires little time and space, and this is what I want to promote. Personally, I believe this market should be bigger than it currently is. I also think there's a cool factor associated with skipping which needs to be shown more. I'm keen to promote your brand as I'm confident that the ropes are very good and they'll be very good for my followers and clients. Please see my Facebook page, Rush Athletics, blah blah blah. I'll be very happy to review your products and inform my followers of your brand. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you see this as a good opportunity. I've left my contacts below. Right, so I sent this email out, okay? So we're talking setbacks, we're talking, you know, how do I deal with setbacks? This was 2 years ago. This was the vision I had 2 years ago, where I wanted to make skipping mainstream. I thought this brand was pretty cool. And yeah, I just wanted to help them, and I thought they could help me. Right, so I'm gonna show you now the exact message that I received 3 days later. Following that long ass message, this is what I got back. Hello, we have a skip rope ambassador at the moment, but thank you for your inquiry. This is what they sent me. So, I'm not showing you that because I'm bitter or because I'm showing off. Oh yeah, look at me now. Obviously not. I would have shown you that ages ago. The point being is, like, you have this idea, you have this vision, and you need to go and follow it through. Like, people are going to say no, people are going to reject you, people are going to laugh in your face, people are going to push you into different avenues and paths like that you don't need to go down. This is my point, guys, is that I could have got that email and thought to myself, oh damn, like, I'm not good enough, or you know, people aren't taking me seriously. Should I really be doing this? Does this make sense? You know, anyway, but that's not me, that's not my character. And what happened a year later, or whenever it was, like we're in March 2016, just a year later, I create my own brand, I create my own skipping rope, and I become the leading speed rope provider in the world. So like, I love it. I love rising to the occasion. I love the knockdowns. I love the doubt. I love when people doubt me. And if you guys can get that fire, if you guys can just literally take all of that, absorb it all in, and use it as fuel, use it as just, it's just energy, it's free energy. The sun's setting. It's a good time right now to be alive, guys. And like I always say, we're gonna build that foundation. We're gonna just create that legacy together, and the future generations to come will remember us. And I can't wait. I can't wait, honestly, to come to USA, meet everyone out there, everyone in London. It's gonna be so epic. I'm gonna wrap it up there. I can't wait to edit this video. It's gonna be long. There's gonna be a lot of talking. But just remember this, guys. I love you all so much. I appreciate you all so much. And whatever happens in the months going forward, just remember, like, you guys can contact me. I'm gonna make sure I get all the value out there as possible, because listen, that is why we're here. That is why this channel exists. It's all because of you. So without further ado, guys, take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
I don't need to know positive. You can never